All right, 68cards.com here doing the Topps Museum box break random teams. Here are the teams in randomizer. I'm going to randomize it 3 times, copy and paste it into Excel, and then we'll do the names, and that's how we'll get the teams here. So we'll randomize 3 times. Here we go. If this wants to. All right, here we go. 1. Pirates on top, Orioles on bottom. 2. Man, random.org is running slow. Washington on top, Rangers on bottom. And the third randomizer, it will go to White Sox on top, Diamondbacks on bottom. Copy and paste this sucker. Oops, sorry. Here's your names. Random.org. All right. Sam P, Rich T, Gary H. Gary H. Alex T, Steve W, Rob K, and John M. Here we go. We're going to randomize it 3 times and copy and paste it into Excel and see what we end up with. Here we go. 1. This is going to take us all night the way this is running. All right. Rich T on top, Steve W on bottom. 2. Oh my God. 2. Sam P on top, Rob K on bottom. And 3. Steve W on top and Sam P on bottom. Copy and paste this. All right, here we go with the teams. Try and get it focused in here. Steve W with the White Sox, Rich T with the Braves, Rich T with the Nationals, Rich T with the Twins, Alex T with the Kansas City Royals, John M with the Yankees, John M with the Cubs, Sam P with the Mariners, Alex T with the Indians, Rob K with the Mets, Steve W with the Red Sox, Rich T with the Phillies, Rob K with the Cardinals, John M with the Rangers, Gary H with the Giants and Tigers, Rob K with the Dodgers, John M with the Reds and the Athletics and Pirates, Steve W with the Padres, Gary H with the Miami Marlins, Steve W with the Astros and Blue Jays, Rich T with the Brewers, Steve W with the Rockies, Rich T with the Rays, Rob K with the Orioles, Gary H with the Angels, and Sam P with the Diamondbacks. All right. Let's get back to it. If I read them too fast, or if you guys miss anything, we'll have a recap in the blog, so you won't have to worry about it too much. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Think Museum might be my favorite 2013 product. If I can open this pack. All right. Ooh, we got a redemption. On 199, Frank Thomas. Josh Hamilton for the Angels. Anthony Rizzo. Brooks Robinson. And the first hit. You are due to receive a single player signature swatch dual relic auto base of Brandon Beachy. Pack 1 is down the drain. What's going on, Gary? Next up. This is the last break I'm going to be doing tonight. I got to do some running around, but tomorrow night and Sunday night, I have a bunch of cases that just came in, so we're going to be doing a lot of riffing this weekend. Jackie Robinson out of 199. Oh, Jackie Robinson not out of 199. Gary Carter. Profar. And your next hit. Ooh, this one's out of 99. Oh, this is a nice patch here. Out of 99. Who is it? It is Giovanna Gallardo. Who's that going out to? Rich T with the Brewers. Yeah, I'll be on all weekend, man. It's a nice looking patch. Come on. Thick one. Dustin Pedroia on a 424. Paul Malter. Chapman for the Reds. Molina. And your next hit. Oh, wow, that patch is disgusting. For the Braves and the Giants. Holy cow, look at that patch. Out of 99. That patch is filthy. Buster Posey, Matt Cain, John Smoltz, and Jason Hayward Bay. Let's see who's this. This is between Rich T and Gary H. Wow. That patch is disgusting. Last pack here. Johnny Seal for the Reds out of 424. Bryce Harper. Bob Feller. Canvas collection of Ozzie Smith. It's a nice looking card. And your last hit of the box for the Dodgers, Don Sutton. All right, we're going to go to random.org and battle that nasty patch out here. Gary H., you have 4 and Rich has 6. All right, here we go. We're going to do it 3 times. Name on top's going to take home the nasty patch. The Posey, Can, Smoltz, Hayward. Here we go. 1. Rich T on top, Gary H on bottom. 2. Rich T on top, Rich T on bottom. And the final randomizer for the Posey patch is Gary H taking it home. You, my friend, are the... It's out of 99, but that patch may be the best patch I've seen out of a museum quad right here. Beauty.